Here are all the home screen layout settings in which you can change to get the best possible experience for your Nothing phone with Android 15 Nothing OS 3. To get access to the home screen layout, you'll want to go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here and go to where it says customization, this one right here. From here, you'll see this and you will see layout as one of them. As you enter here, you'll see the layout options. Once in this section here, you can choose between the two app grid options. You got 4 or the 5 by 5, which 5 gives you more space for more apps, but they will be a bit smaller. And it's up to you to make that decision. The next one here now you'll see is the app label. By turning this off, you'll notice the names under the apps will no longer appear. So if you want your apps to appear as just a bunch of circles, keeping a clean home screen, and you can easily identify them on your own if you know what they are already, then just turn this off. You don't need the names to show up, but if you do, keep it on. And as always, make sure you select apply for them to go into changes. And the last one here is the search bar. This Google search bar right down here is going to be there and will not move no matter what you try unless you turn this off here. And if you turn it off, you'll notice it's going to be gone. But again, you must select apply for any of the changes you make here to go into effect, and that's that. And you can see now, once I'm back here, no Google search bar. And that's that, like it's up.